A warm welcome to all my respected viewers. I am Sanjusha Nagwani and today I'll be explaining to you about my topic personalized and predictive medicine. First of all, what do these words mean? Personalized medicine is the tailoring of medical treatment to the individual specifications of each patient, and predictive medicine predicts the probability of a disease that can occur to us in the future based on our genetics. So, what is the need for all of this, you may ask? Is the current system not enough where when we fall ill, we just go to a doctor and he prescribes us the medicines for our diseases? And the answer to this question is no, it is not. Because of this major loophole in the field of medicine. When a person goes to a doctor and the doctor prescribes a medication, the doctor doesn't know if that medicine is going to work or have side effects on that person. Its success rate could be as low as 30% or as high as 90%, but we are still not sure if it will work on that one person or not. If the person has just a fever or headache, it wouldn't be much of a problem. But if he is seriously ill and these drugs give him severe side effects, it could be a matter of life or death. Research of the British Medical Journal shows that one-third of the prescribed medical treatment has a proven benefit to the patient. One-third. For cancer, it is even worse. 2 out of 10 cancer drugs have said to be some benefit to the patient. So, are these drugs bad products then? No. The thing is that our diseases are as unique as we are. And as one size doesn't fit all, one drug cannot be beneficial for all types of patients. And that's when the personalizing of medicine comes into place. We have developed technology which allows us to grow thousands of tiny human tissues just like they grow in our body. We call it an organoplate. So, how would it work in real life? Suppose there's a guy, John, and has a kidney disease and he is seriously ill. We take a few of his cells and we transform them into thousands of microscopically small kidney cells in an organoplate. We use these kidney models to screen all the available drugs and select the ones that would repair John's kidney better. Personalized medicine is impacting patient care in many diseases, especially in cardiovascular diseases, melanoma, and breast cancer. But the realization of personalized medicine relies on the input and contributions of a broad community of stakeholders. The patients, the consumers, the biopharmaceutical companies, the healthcare providers, the diagnostic companies, the academic researchers, the IT informatics companies, and the advocacy groups all need to work together in order to achieve this goal of having this revelation, this extension of traditional approaches to understanding and treating disease. Together, progress in the research, clinical care, and policy enabling personalized medicine has great potential to improve the quality of patient care and to help contain healthcare costs. Thank you.